Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of this series, Facebook Ads for E-commerce. Now, the topic of this episode is how to set up your business manager and your ads account. When I was actually learning how to do all of this, I couldn't find any video on YouTube which was teaching this. So I decided I'll go ahead and make this and make sure that I have this in my series because it's one of the most confusing part yet important part. So let's get into it directly.
Step is of course to go to facebook.com and log into your personal account. Here I'm going to log into my personal account and let's go. Right. So once it's done, you'll see all of your regular things here. Now, the first thing that we have to do is create a page. Okay. I'll just. How do you create a page? You go to menu, and under the create option, you go and you create a page. All right. Now you put the name. I'm just gonna put the best pet store. All right, and just I'm gonna put the category as pet supplies. Let's just take for example, and I'm gonna write the best pet store available in India for your dog. Example, just an example. India. All right. You create a page and yeah, the page is created. Make sure you put in all the details here so Facebook doesn't think this is just spam, a bot making it, and if that is the case they'll ban your account. Okay, so just make sure you fill in all the details properly. I'm not going to do that because I've already made a lot of these. Put your photos, your cover photos, your number, etc., and I'm just going to skip all of them. Yep. All right, now the page is done. All right, so I just want to show you guys what we have done here. All right, see, this is your normal profile, what all of us have. Okay, this is your normal Facebook profile. What we've done here is we've created a page. Pardon my handwriting. It's absolutely pathetic. I know, I'm aware. But what we've done is we've created a page. Now, the next step that we have to do is we also have to create a, this is our personal account. We have to create a business account. Okay, we'll create a business account by the same name and we'll transfer the page to this one. Now, how do we do that? I'll just show it to you. All right. So once you're here, what you have to do is you have to go to Meta Business Suite. All right. This is where you can access your business. See, you either go through here, or if you cannot find it here, you can always click on the menu, go down, 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 and you will be able to find the Meta Business Suite. Anyway, once you click on it, the Meta Business Suite will open, and this is where you can see all whatever business stuff you have. Right. See, this is so far just a page. We have to create a business manager from this. Okay, a business manager or a business account. And usually this is the button to do that, but I cannot do it. As you can see, you've reached the limit of Meta business accounts. I've created actually a lot of business accounts, as you can see here. So I cannot create it, but once you create it here, you just have to name it and it will be done. It's not a lot. You just have to name it and you just have to put your normal business email ID and that will be done. All right. So that is how you create this. That is how you create this part, right? Now the next step is we have to attach the page to this. The reason is we want our account and our business account to be different. All right, you might want to post a picture with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your significant other, and do whatever with your personal account, but you want to keep those things separated. So once we've created a business account like I've shown you and we attach the page to it, your account is separated. Then the way it works is it comes under, the page comes under this. All right, and it goes away from here. It basically goes away from here. All right, so now your account is separated. So I have actually already created a business account just to do that. I've named it my fur buddy. What you have to do once you create yours is go to the settings. Once you're in settings, have to go to pages and see how I've already added my page. What you have to do is add your page. Once you come here, you won't be able to see anything. So you have to do is add your page. Not create a new Facebook page. Claim an existing Facebook page. You write the name of the best pet store, like something like this. You can add it here. All right, just click on next, and as you can see, it's asking us to confirm. I agree, and once you claim page, that will be done. All right, and you'll be able to see your page here. So what I've actually done is I've created a business account by the name My Fur Buddy, and I've also created a Facebook page which I've attached. So far all good. We're done till here. All right, so we're done with creating a Facebook business account and attaching a page to it. Now, what is left? Creating an ads manager and an ads account. How do we do it? Let's come here. Let's go to home. In fact, I didn't need to go to home. Anyway, click on all tools and you'll see a ton of tools here. What you have to do is go to ads manager. Once you click on this, a new tab will open with the ads manager. Since I'm using Brave, it's asking me to turn off ad blocker. See, this is where your account comes, right? This is your personal account. So now this is an important part. Make sure you understand this. Um, See, every personal account has an ad account. Right? But you can use this to run for your business, but again, like I said, we want to separate everything from our personal account to our business account. So what we'll do here is we'll add an ad account here as well. We'll make a new ad account. Account, right? So we go to Meta Business Suite. No, we go to Ads Manager. We click here. From our personal, we switch to our business account, which is My Fur Buddy. Once we come here, it's asking us to get started because we don't have an ad account yet, right? So we get started. We create a new ad account. Name of the ad account is My Fur Buddy. Time zone is what is Indian time? I'm going to use an Indian time zone. You can use whichever one works for you guys. I think it was Asia. So yes, why can't I find one? It's GMT plus 5:30 if I'm not wrong. Right, Asia Kolkata 5:30. Right, we're gonna go to and currency will select INR. All right, we'll click on next. It's asking us to confirm details. We will confirm the details. And done. Voila. And there you go. You've created an ad account uh, with the name My Fur Buddy. The next step is to add some billing details, which will come to overview. It's asking us to add a payment account. See, first of all, it's asking us to confirm if this is our page. We first of all, we do that. We confirm. It's asking us to verify our phone number. We do that as well. I'm not going to do it now. I've done it several times. And this is a payment method. You just click on add payment method. And from here you'll be able to add all your payment details, your card, your credit card, your debit card, etc., etc. I'm not going to show you this. This is something you can do easily. So yeah, so what have we done so far? We have created a personal account which we already had. From there we created a page. All right. Once this was done, we created a business account and shifted our page to the business account, right? And once that was done, we had a business account, we had a page for our business, so we created an ad account so that we can run it. I hope this is clear to all of you.
All right, so that was all from our first session. If you guys have any doubts, make sure you write it in the comments and I'll reply to all of them so you don't have to worry about that. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe so that this video reaches more people like you and I who are interested in this topic. And I hope to see you guys in the next chapter where we discuss how to set up the pixel and connect your Shopify website. Thank you.